The fact that I'm normally just wandering through a supermarket fingering turnips is another matter. Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be asking which of these lipsticks will make my mature skin look fresher. I'm Amelia and I love all things beauty, so please join me and let the fun commence. I've got a range of lipsticks to show you, from beiges that won't wash you out, to browns that will make you look healthy, and then some lovely wines and plums that are sophisticated but still super wearable. I'm going to start with this lipstick from SHISEIDO called Short Circuit, which I didn't buy. It came in a lovely kit of SHISEIDO skincare I was given, and this sort of sample was thrown in. I would never have bought such a colour for myself, simply because I think sometime many years ago, when I was quite young, probably a teenager, I was told that red lipstick didn't suit me. And for 57 years, well, not after 57 years, but for all my life, I have not worn a red lipstick up until last week when I tried this. And I really like it. It makes my teeth look white. I feel quite confident and quite sophisticated in it, which is a first for me. And the texture, which is a satin texture, is so moisturising and easy and smooth, and such a long-lasting formula that I'm kind of blown away. I'm based in the UK and it's been particularly cold here, and my lips have been particularly dry, but this has just seen me through. So I really recommend the formula, and I love this colour. So I did want to start with that, simply to illustrate that, you know, it's worth going for a colour that's exciting to you, even if you've not worn it before, because you never know. And like a lot of things in life, we can't please everybody, so we may as well please ourselves. So SHISEIDO is the one I'm kicking off with. I've got 4 lovely plum and wine lipsticks for you, which are just as easy to wear during the day as in the evening, as well as a 5th lipstick as a sort of a bonus, which is a kind of special lipstick to have. So starting with Charlotte Tilbury's Secret Salma, which is a plum lipstick. I really like this. It's very easy to wear. It's got a soft kind of finish to it. It's also a matte lipstick, but again, very comfortable, very moisturising. Charlotte Tilbury really knows how to make a lipstick. She really does. And just as good for a cool toned complexion as a warm toned complexion. Really lovely. Do consider it. Lisa Eldridge Velvet Enchantment. It's a lovely rose soft wine shade, which is velvety, but there's still a bit of a sheen. I don't know how she manages this. Lisa Eldridge is the kind of wizard of makeup. She seems to manage to kind of combine 2 things that other people seem to feel are contradictory in the makeup world, but she does it. It's velvet, but it's not totally matte. You've still got that softness, but there's a little bit of a sheen, and they are moisturising and very long lasting. And so comfortable. Charlotte Tilbury Amazing AMAL. This is refillable again. It's a lovely matte berry soft pink, so wearable, but also I find it just brightens my whole face. It's just one of those lipsticks that you can just wear throughout the day on its own. You've made a little bit of a statement. You look sort of energized, but it's so easy and it's so comfortable to wear. Amazing AMAL. Charlotte Tilbury's doing really well from this video, and with good reason. This is Walk of No Shame. It's one of her mattes. It's also one of her very much best-selling lipstick shades, and I can see why. It's a lovely berry shade, but it's great for cool tones as well as warm toned skins. I've recommended this to lots of my friends who are fairer than me and cooler toned, and it looks fantastic on them. I really recommend this shade. This is Chanel's PHÉNOMÈNE in the Rouge Coco Flash range. Look at this pigment, look at the colour, and look at the shine. Such intense shine combined with pigment, it's just fabulous. Whenever I wear this, I feel so sophisticated. I kind of feel like I need to be in some fancy Parisian hotel with my Hermes Birkin bag at my feet, along with a poodle that's probably looking at me adoringly, because, you know, it's my fantasy and that dog's going to be looking at me adoringly. And maybe sort of drinking or sipping some, you know, sophisticated cup of tea with a little French pastry. Just superb. The fact that I'm normally just wandering through a supermarket fingering turnips is another matter, but it still enhances my experience. I urge you to try this range and this colour. It's just fabulous. I've worn it in the cold light of day, early morning, and it's just great. Lights up my whole face. I don't need any other makeup. This is MAC Teddy 2.0 lipstick. I'm wearing it with a little bit of lip liner just because I feel with a slightly lighter lipstick, I feel I need a little bit more definition. However, if you're a lighter skin tone to me, you really won't need a lip liner. It's just, for me, I just feel I need a little bit more definition on the lighter colours. It's such an easy to wear colour. It's a semi-matte finish. They say you get sort of 8 hours hydration. That may well be. It's a very comfortable lipstick. I find I need to touch it up maybe every 3 or 4 hours, I think, realistically, but it's such a lovely colour. And here I'm wearing Dior 240 J'adore. And I really do adore this lipstick. It's just fabulous. I wear it a lot. It's so forgiving, and it's a really easy to wear colour, super moisturising. Again, I think I get about 3 to 4 hours out of this one. These colours, these beiges that I'm showing you are so easy with just a bit of mascara and you're out the door. It's just so lovely to wear first thing in the morning, especially if you're doing things like going on a school run, or, you know, you just want to get to work and just have something on your lips as you're, you know, on your way to work. It's just lovely. So here we are, Dior J'adore 240. I'm now wearing MAC Velvet Teddy. It's a matte formula. You get 12-hour wear out of it. I think realistically I probably could get a good 6 or 7 hours wear, maybe more. It is a more matte formula. It's not as moisturising as the previous Teddy 2.0. That's what I find. But let me show you the colour, and then I'll show you something that's quite similar in a slightly more moisturising formula. It's a lovely colour. And it's a matte classic, this one. But it is lovely. I do really like it. Particularly nice packaging as well. Really easy to slip into your jeans pocket or your coat pocket. This is BRONX Baby by Makeup by Mario. Makeup by Mario does the most fabulous satin lipsticks. We kind of don't talk enough about them because the shade range is really good. The quality is fantastic, particularly for more mature lips, because they're lovely and hydrating, but they don't kind of slip off within an hour. Similar shade to the previous MAC Teddy, but as I said, it's got a satin finish, a bit more moisturising, probably not as long lasting, but still absolutely fantastic. So I've got 4 delightful browns, or sort of warmer nudes for you. All of them super moisturising, perfect for mature lips. Okay, so the first one is YSL Blouse Nude. That's what I'm wearing at the moment. It's so lovely. It's like a sort of a warm, rosy brown. It's so easy to wear, super moisturising. Needs no lip liner. And look at the packaging. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? It's just so lovely. You'd feel special first thing in the morning putting that on. You know I do on my tired face. I put that on, I just feel great. And now we have Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Gen. I'm going to show you, look, this is my 6th, count 'em, one of these. I love this colour, so easy to wear. It's Charlotte Tilbury describes it as a beachy beige, and that's exactly right. It's perfect. I kind of feel like I should be, you know, Baywatching it down, but nobody wants to see me doing a Baywatch impression. Too old for that. Although I'm not sure I was ever a Baywatch kind of person. But anyway, this is a great colour. Super moisturising. These are refillable, which is terrific because you get the case and then you kind of just buy the refill. The cases are all fun in Charlotte Tilbury. So this is it. Glowing Jen, named after Jennifer Aniston. So there we go. We can all channel our inner friend. And here we have Lisa Eldridge in Painterly. It's a sort of, she describes it as a deep chocolate with some mauve in it. And I would sort of concur. There's a coolness to this, but it's so easy to wear and super moisturising and just a lovely kind of balmy light texture. So we've got Lisa Eldridge in Painterly. Lovely. And now it's the turn of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is Pillow Talk Medium, but there's also the original Pillow Talk, which is lighter, and then there's Pillow Talk Deep. These days I happen to favour Pillow Talk Medium. It's just such an easy shade for a sort of a medium to dark tan complexion to wear. However, I have also worn the lighter Pillow Talk, which was fine, and I really liked it up until this one came out, but I always had to wear it with the Pillow Talk lip liner to give it a little bit more definition. So do look at these because all three are lovely depending on the skin tone and depending on what kind of look you want to go for. They are super moisturising and just a lovely finish and very, very comfortable to wear. Pillow Talk Medium. It's been such fun showing you some of the lipsticks that I know make my skin and complexion look a lot fresher when all I'm doing is wearing a lipstick with maybe some mascara, but more often than not, just wearing some lipstick. I hope that was helpful and I hope that was fun, and do join me in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.